One of the most important aspects of keeping people safe during this time is to be able to control your environment. So we carefully screen everybody over the phone before they come in, as soon as they make their appointment. And we do temperature checks to ensure that everybody is asymptomatic. Now, some of the changes we've made because of the pandemic, we have put less chairs in the waiting room. We have put plexiglass at the check-in counters and check-out counters. We are conscious that we produce aerosols in the dental office, so we have installed this Vidashield, and it cleans the air of the operatory about 4 times an hour. And we have installed this in every room in the office. These are air purifying plants, which give it a nice decor to the office, but also help us purify the air naturally. We are also using the Isolite system. This system allows to suction with high vacuum the aerosols particles in a more efficient way, and further protecting the staff and the rest of the patients. Everybody's wearing a mask upon entering the office. All doctors and staff are wearing level 3 or above masks. The appropriate PPEs, including face shields and head covers. Even through this pandemic, we're happy that we're able to continue our mission of establishing successful relationships with our patients.